In a post-poll violent incident that occurred in Jiribam district on Friday, a group of JDU workers attacked and injured the family of Infal West BJP Morcha Vice President. The injured family members of Saddam are undergoing treatment at Jiri Hospital, according to our Jiribam correspondent. The incident took place a day after the announcement of results of 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly election. At around 8:30 a.m., a group of JDU workers attacked the family residing at Lalpani Part 2. Saddam said his family was attacked for supporting a Meitei BJP candidate in Manipur polls. They also threatened him. His mother Angurund Nisa, aged 52, father MD Makram Ali, aged 58, wife Abeda Begum, aged 30, and uncle Kamrul Islam, aged 38, were injured in the attack. Speaking to the media, Saddam said workers of MD Asap who didn't arrive at his residence in 3 vehicles at around 8:30 a.m. and hurled firecrackers before attacking his family members. MD Asap Uddin of JDU was elected from Jiribam for the 2nd time. Saddam said nothing wrong in his family supporting a Meitei candidate in the election. He appealed to the concerned authority to look into the matter.
Ayugi pong nipan makhay adwaida adu asabutin kangbuna gari ahum mise yangkhay humbo irangani moila agai hojumda bom langsalle akhoi babana thologa akhoida haire noi kare noi harona ba tawro adu lambi da tawro ai hojumda bom langsinganu adu haiba degi moi punna ai hojumda changre changaga ai khoi bawada pure ai khoi ma da pure ai nu pisu pure aduga Saddam se हाथ की निहाय आई को हाथ की निहाय ना लाओ रे अब अदु जुगु जे हॉस्पिटल दा आई मां से अदुगा इन ऑफिस आई बाबा से पूरे हॉस्पिटल लाए अदु पुलिस दा पाव पीबा दा पुलिस से पुंग अमा हेले आई खोई दा लागते अदु करी गिनो खंगदे आई खोई ना मैतै दा बूट पिरिस आई खोई करी सोइगे अदु खक तै हांगे अदु पुलिस दा पाव पीबा दा पुंग अमा हेले आई खोई दा याउद्रि अब जिरिबम दा बौपरा टाउन दगी पुलिस लागपा से मतम से क्या मुक चंगे अदु हजिक से कोई पूरा लाइफ से करी होगी ना है बगम दे अदु को तो थमजगे